welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This plane had just touched down when it went off the runway and crashed into a parked helicopter. The pilot lost control while landing in St. Bartholomew, but luckily everyone was okay afterwards. This Beechcraft Bonanza was approaching Oshkosh when it hit another plane's wake turbulence and had a very close call. The pilot managed to save it at the last second. This Airbus A380 looks like it's hovering while approaching Dallas Airport.
Look at it, for real. Looks like it's just kind of hovering there. It's wild. I almost want to stop on the side of the road so you can see.
This is an optical illusion that is actually pretty common. This Airbus A330 bounced before landing in Boston. This is how planes pick up banners. This Red Bull helicopter showing off. If you want to see more, subscribe and click the video on the screen to watch another episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one.